In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write H2O in PowerPoint. It's a quick and simple process, perfect for making your presentations look more professional and scientifically accurate. Let's dive right in. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's running, open your presentation, or just start with a blank slide if you want to practice. Next, go to the Insert tab on the top menu. Here, click on Text Box. Then, click anywhere on your slide to create the text box and you'll see a blinking cursor ready for input. Now type H2O inside the text box. You'll notice that the number 2 is on the same level as the letters, but we'll fix that next. Highlight the number 2 with your mouse. Then, switch over to the Home tab. In the Home tab, find the small font settings icon. It looks like a tiny diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner of the font section. Click on that to open the font dialog box. Inside the box, look for the option labeled subscript and tick the checkbox. Then click OK to apply the change. And that's it. You'll now see a H2O displayed perfectly, with the 2 sitting just below the baseline, exactly how it should appear. This method works for any chemical formulas or mathematical notations that require subscripts or superscripts. A small change like this can make your slides look polished, accurate, and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps make your PowerPoint presentations even better.